Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Valentine's Day set because it's giving. So let's just get into it. Alright, so I applied one bead to my client's nails. As you can see, I am doing the one bead method like I did in my last video. If you haven't checked it out, you should definitely check it out. The link will be down below. But yeah, you're just going to watch me do the process of that. I do want to let you know that in every set that I do two layers, if you want to say, of polygel. So even though you just saw one layer, I do go in and put another bead of polygel on there as well. Now I'm putting on base coat. So the reason why I do this is because when I put the hearts on, I kind of want it to stick easily. So I use like a regular polygel brush, and I take the hearts and I place them across the nail like how I wanted it, and it just sticks so much easier. You guys can do it a different way. I just like doing it that way. Through drought and famine. Alright, you guys, so it's ombre time. And you see, with ombre, I have a hate-love relationship. It's like, sometimes I love it, it's easy, and then the other times it be like, I gotta put more work in and we fighting. I'm going in with a Milky White, and with that Milky White, I do not put a lot. So I put like a thin layer because we're gonna have to encapsulate it, and you don't want your nails to come out too thick. So I put the Milky White on there, and then I blend it up. So when I put the light pink on top and I blend that light pink down, it's gonna blend nicely. But for the Milky White, I'm sorry y'all, I feel like I sound choppy, but for the Milky White, I actually got it from a Polygel nail tech. She makes it. I would definitely leave all her information down below because it's actually bomb, and it comes in a jar, y'all. And anybody that works with Polygel, a jar is just so much better in my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that all down below. Now I'm encapsulating my heart nails, and I'm really happy how these heart nails came out. But yeah, so I just take a bead of clear and I encapsulate it on top, so it's all good to go. Natural disasters, my baby. Guys, so it's marble time, and this marble was giving me rose quartz. Okay, I was definitely feeling it for real. For this type of marble, what I'm going to be doing is taking the light pink that I used on the ombre, and what I'm going to do is create like web-like lines throughout the nail, and in between there'll be gaps of no polygel, and that's when I take the Milky White that I used on the ombre as well, and I fill in those gaps. Afterwards, what you want to do is just pat, 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 and then you take the remaining polygel off if there is any. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. Now we adding some flakes. You know, you can't do no wrong with some flakes and some marble. So I'm adding some gold flakes. I'm using the same technique as last video, basically wetting my brush a little bit and then going in my flake jar and applying it to the nail. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. I do encapsulate this nail with clear, you guys. And this is how the application is looking, y'all. You definitely want to wipe down all your nails because it can leave a sticky residue. So once you wipe it, the sticky residue goes away. And now it's time to file, shape, do all of that. So you guys are going to watch me do that, and I'm going to play some music for y'all. I'm coming in real quick, y'all, just to explain what I'm doing. So after filing the nail, you want to make sure that you do like a length check, basically, making sure that the nails are still the same length as the other hand, because what you don't want is one hand being longer than the other because you filed one hand more than you filed the other. So definitely do that little check just to make sure. Okay, now that everything is shaped and filed and buffed, we're going to be adding some Frenchies to the nails. So I'm doing Frenchies on the thumb and on the pinky. So y'all gonna watch me do that. Got time, but I don't mind. Alright, right here, you guys, I added this clip because y'all gonna see me put XO, but I actually took this off and did smaller XO throughout the nail. I didn't get this because my camera died, but I definitely wanted you guys to see how I did the XO. I used the same method, I just did smaller ones, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about at the end. And I also did add charms that y'all can't see because, once again, my camera was dead. But y'all gonna see that at the end as well. The glue that I use, like the gel glue that I use, was Makartt. I'm telling you, that is my go-to. It keeps the charms on the nails, y'all. It keeps the charms on the nails. So yeah, after this, you guys are gonna see the final results. The final results, you guys. I added a teddy bear on top of the ombre, and I added an A on her pinky, on her Frenchie for a special somebody. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this set. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.